We now shift focus to the United States. Trump's unending legal woes resound again. The former U.S. president's hush money case saw a crucial hearing today, though he's got some relief in the $454 million fraud bond deadline. A state appeals court has reduced the bond amount that Trump must pay in response to his civil fraud judgment. And the Trump has been given 10 days to pay $175 million. Failure to do this would see the seizure of his assets. Trump's lawyers previously suggested that the appeal bond in the case be set at $100 million. This is a significant win for Trump, who is otherwise facing a massive cash crunch. On the other hand, a New York judge has weighed in on the hush money case against him. The judge has agreed to begin the hush money trial from the 15th of April. Trump's legal team has sought a delay over hush money paid to adult star Stormy Daniels. The trial had been delayed because of the recent delivery of tens of thousands of pages of records from a previous federal investigation. Trump's lawyers still want the case dismissed or at least delayed beyond its current April 15th start date. His lawyers say they will be disclosing new material pertaining to Daniels. The former president has pleaded not guilty and says the prosecution is politically driven. The case centers on allegations that Mr. Trump falsely logged $130,000 in payments as legal fees in his company's books. Trump's lawyers say the payment was meant to spare himself and his family embarrassment. More on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani sent us this report on the significance of the Stormy Daniels trial ahead of the U.S. presidential race. Take a look.
Donald Trump's criminal trial is now set to begin on April 15th. He's accused of falsifying business records to hide a potential sex scandal. The judge in this case denied Donald Trump's attempt to delay the trial further. The trial stems from a hush money payment made to Stormy Daniels to silence her about an alleged affair with the former president. Trump faces 34 felony counts of falsifying business records connected to the hush money payments. The trial is expected to last about 6 weeks, and it's important because this is the only one of Donald Trump's 4 criminal trials that may move forward before the November presidential election.
Susan further explains how the civil fraud trial could possibly be a win for the Trump camp, at least for now.
A state appeals court ruled that Donald Trump must post a $175 million bond within the next 10 days to avoid paying the full $464 million judgment in the civil fraud case. This is a significant reduction from the original amount, which was due on Monday. Trump's lawyers had argued that coming up with that larger bond was practically impossible. But this ruling also means that the state attorney general's office cannot yet collect on the judgment. So buildings like the one behind me, for now at least, are safe. Trump claims that he will post the bond quickly and has nearly $500 million in cash.